a relay race. When I run up in the spot, bitches know they place. Slide on a nigga, I'ma need my skates. Social distance, I'ma need my space. I done did it, I won with it. I made peace with my...
Hey y'all, it's Spice. Welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be doing a fox hair color on this wig I'm revamping. So come with me to get the products. I went ahead and used Kissnation's Flaming Orange and Cinnamon, L'Oreal High Colors Black Sapphire. I picked up some 20 and 30 volume developer, and then I got some Wella toner in the tone 1011. Everything I used will be listed in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. So being that this is a wig I'm revamping, I wanted to strip the color that I already put on it the first time, which was a fire red, because I'm going for more of a ginger. So I picked up some color oops from Walmart. I went ahead and squirted that all along the wig after I cut off the old frontal. And I went ahead and left that on for about 20 minutes. Like, I went in the shower, came out and checked on it. And then I got dressed, came back, and it was ready to get rinsed out. So at this point, it was light enough for me to rinse out. Also, I did not put any product on the tips because I'm going to be dyeing those black anyway. Now it's time for the toner. Being that this is a 613 wig, I wanted to tint the lace before I put it on my skin with the red dye because I didn't want it to look ghostly and have a white overcast. So I just went ahead and followed the instructions on the box, 1 part toner and 2 parts developer. I applied this and let it sit on the lace for a good 10 to 15 minutes. I kept checking it, and I also did a patch test so I could know how long to leave it on because I didn't want it to over process. So this is a custom ginger color I mixed up using both of the dyes I brought earlier. I went ahead and used 3 parts orange to 1 part brown, the cinnamon, and I ended up with the perfect ginger for my skin tone. Make sure you always do a strand test, and if you feel like the ginger is too bright, you can add in the brown little by little to kind of tone it down so it's not so harsh. I'm sure at this point you guys know how to dye hair. There's a 1,000,001 videos. Just make sure the hair is well saturated, and I went ahead and left this color on overnight. So I'm gonna stop talking and let the music play. See, my days will come without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days will come without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you, 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 running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you treat me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. So this is the same color I'm putting on the frontal. I'm just using a rat tail comb to go ahead and comb the color in so that I don't stain the lace. And when you're doing this, make sure you take your time. It might take a while, but the last thing you want to do is get red dye on your lace. this is how the hair looked when I woke up the next morning. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and wash it out and coat it with some clear dye, because I want to layer it before I actually dye the tips black, because I want to know like what pieces to use that are going to frame my face and different stuff like that. So this is important.
I know you want it, but I see you trying. Just keep on pushing one where you slide. Let's go, let's say hi to me, like you, because I do. Give it to you whenever you want, whenever you want.
Child, I forgot I had two different pieces, but all I'm gonna do is go ahead and pin the back of the wig to the mannequin head and pin the frontal on where I want to sew it. And I'm gonna start sewing at the middle, going down on each side. And make sure you make the sews, I don't know what you call them, the stitches, very close to each other, because if you do not, your lace will be lumpy when you try to lay it down and you're gonna look crazy. So make sure you take your time and stitch these very close together.
I gave you the keys to my soul. You still don't believe, baby, I
He
know.
said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to sing. Left arm, baby mother tatted, 5-year been up north when they read it. Anyway,
calls cause I'm not home. What you gonna do when you got?
Okay, at this point, I just slapped this wig on top of my head and I want to go ahead and layer it. I cannot really explain what I did. I know that's really bad, but I basically just wanted to layer it to frame my face. So I made this little triangle at the beginning and cut it to, I guess, the starting point to how short I wanted the layers to fall. And then I just used that as a guide piece, and I went ahead and went down the side, you know, and just cut in a diagonal. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, I think.
Put them on lock, seat belt them. Took them out to Belgium. Welcome, bitches this pretty, that's seldom. This box better than the box he was held in. I'm on the D and the outer. I call him Tabby like Louders. He like it when I get drunk, but I like it when he be sober. That's top of the top, but I never fuck with beginners. I let him play with my pussy, then lick it out of his fingers. I'm in the zone. Let's say hi to me. We can slide though. We can tell you whenever you want, whenever you want. Baby, it is yours.
Another thing I forgot to show, when you are layering your hair, you want it damp so you can have more control of the hair and it feels like less hair that you have to work with. I didn't have mine soaking wet, obviously, but I just took a spray bottle and dampened the areas and sections that I was going to be working with. So now it's time for the black tips. These steps are pretty repetitive. It's going to be one part of the L'Oreal highlights and then 2 parts developer. Mix that up and then we're going to go ahead and do our thing. I know it's a lot of steps, but it's worth it at the end. Trust me. So to dye the tips, I started from the bottom and I held the paintbrush vertically. And I made sure that I didn't have any sharp lines where I wanted the orange and the black to meet. Like, I rubbed it in a little bit so it would be kind of like, what you call that? Y'all know what I'm talking about, basically. So it wouldn't be a sharp line and look crazy. also I dyed it in like a few different sections so it wouldn't be overwhelming. Now it's finally time for the install. I went ahead and used that Erica J Hold Me Down lace glue. I know y'all been seeing it go viral all over TikTok, and I'm like, I'm gonna just see what it's about. Honestly, it's really good if you use it right. You know, my wig hasn't moved or shifted, and it's been a few days. But I've did install videos for you guys a few times, so I'm just gonna be quiet and go ahead and show y'all this.
Guys know me all about me paper. Me got me girls all around me no chaser. Commando. I put the body in, so I will never be your pato. I will be there. You got the body so sick, and great. Passata give it dick. Girl, we chop money like click. Be the heartbeat of my heart, though. My heart, you got the body so sick, and great. Passata give it.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Mama, you got the beauty and free, so Mama, you got the beauty and free, so Mama, you got the beauty and free, so sick and great, passata give it dick, girl, we chop money like click, be the heartbeat of my heart, though, my heart, you got the body so sick, and great, passata give it dick, girl, we chop money like click, be the heartbeat of my heart, though, my heart.
Your hair smell like the tropics, your body look nice. One fuck now, homie, we gotta go twice. I'm here for you, just tell me what you like. To mix up in drama, to go outside. To mix up in drama, to free my mind. Jealous people around me, I need to change my life. I just turn colder every time I try.
Boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, baby. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom. What I want is what you want, nah. Yeah, boy, I want what you want. Give it to me, baby, like boom. What I want is what you want, nah. Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it, love it. I like the way you touch me there. I like the way you pull my hair. Baby, if I don't feel it, I ain't faking, no.
I've never curled my hair like this in life. So you and all of YouTube are about to see if this comes out good. Okay.
I like when you tell me kiss your hair. I like when you tell me move it there. So get it up, time to get it up. You say you want real boy, show me what you got now. Coming right now. Love me.
It came out real cute, y'all. I really like it. You see it? Hold on, let me comb it out with it. Oh, I'm gonna...
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you got it right. Body rude is polite. Don't be in the humble guy. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight. Posing, hope she's left to right. I just wanna